Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to create unlimited Gmail account. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily create unlimited Gmail account without phone number. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to go ahead and then open your Play Store. Now once you open your Play Store, all you need to do is to search for this special application, Secure VPN. Now you can see this special application over here, Secure VPN. In this case, all you need to do is to open this VPN. If you're already having it but not updated to the latest version, you need to make sure it is updated to the latest version so that you don't miss new update. Now all you need to do is to open your Secure VPN. So once you open your Secure VPN, just click on accept and then accept their terms of services, and you can see it is connecting. So you need to click on connect and then you connect to this server. So you can see testing connection speed. So you just connect to this server, skip the ad and then connect to this server, connect to this VPN. So you can see over here, just click on OK and you can see it is connecting. Now once you have connected to this VPN, all you need to do is to go back and then open your Gmail over here. So just look for your Gmail and then open your Gmail. So just go ahead and then open your Gmail. Now once you open your Gmail over here, just wait for some seconds. So you can see it is processing and you can see your profile at the upper right corner. Just click on that. Now once you click on your profile over here, you can see add another account. Click on that, and once you click on add another account, just click on Google and then wait for a while as it is loading. So you can see, just click on the first option, which is Google, because this time around we are creating our Gmail account, and in this case all you need to do is to verify your fingerprint or your password. So just wait for a while as it is checking for your info. Now once you click on Google, you can see over here it is asking for email or phone number. Now all you need to do is to go back. All you need to do is to click on create account and then you click on for myself. So just click on for myself, and once you click on for myself, it is asking for your name. So enter any name. So you can write so just enter your first name and the last name, then you click on next. Now once you click on next, you can see you have to enter your date of birth. You can choose any date of birth of your choice. So then you select the gender. If you are male, then you enter male, then you click on next. Now once you click on next, you can see it has given you some Gmail over here. So you can see from my name, but this time around we don't have to use any of these. So all you need to do is to click on create your own Gmail address. Just click on that and you can see it has given you the option to enter your own Gmail address. So in this case, all you need to do is to go back to your Play Store. So just go back to your Play Store and then search for temp mail. Now once we search for temp mail, there are many, so just scroll down and select this special one. So I recommend this special one for you. So I will advise you to download this one. So just download this temp mail over here. So just download this one, and once you have downloaded this, all you need to do is to open it. But if you're already having it, just update it to the latest version so that you don't miss the new features of this application. So you can see temp mail. So this is the application. All I need to do is to go and then open this special application. You can see over here temp mail. So just go ahead and then open this special application over here. Now once you open this application, you can see the Gmail over here. So all you need to do is to click on copy. Just click on copy, and you can see copy to clipboard. So you can also refresh for new ones. So you can just click on refresh, and once you click on refresh, it will change. So in this case, all you need to do is to click on copy in order to copy the Gmail, and you can see copy to clipboard. Then you go back. Now once you go back, then you open your Google and then continue from where you ended. In this case, all you need to do is to paste everything over here. So just paste this, and then you delete everything, including the at, because the at gmail.com is already there. Then you click on next. Now once you click on next, it is asking for password. So let me enter. So you need to make sure you choose a strong password. Then you click on next. So just wait for a while. And now you can see it is asking for your contact. Never enter any contact over here. So you don't have to enter any contact. All you need to do is to click on skip. And once you click on skip, you can see the account has been created successfully. So you can see it over here. All you need to do is to click on next. And once you click on next, just scroll down. And once you scroll down, you can see I agree. Just click on I agree. And by clicking on I agree, with this trick, you can create unlimited Gmail account without your personal phone number. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a video